Good morning, Vietnam. Anyway, good morning, everybody. We are about to play Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart because I finally got a PS5. It took me, what is this, August? It took 8 months for me to get one. I did not even try before Christmas. I knew it wasn't going to happen. Just they bought out, immediately sold out everywhere you look. So I knew I wasn't going to get one. I figured like by February though we'd be all right, right? Yeah. No. Got online, checked the PS5 restock every day, see if Walmart, Wally World had them, Target, Best Buy, Amazon was useless. They absolutely were useless for them. If you want to buy one, for $1,100, that's where you want to go. If you want to buy one for what it's actually worth, then that's not where you want to go. So, yeah, I checked every day for 6 months. Well, I guess we're 8 months now, right? So we're August. Anyway, I finally saw something that said, who was it? GameStop, right, was only selling to their pro members. So last Thursday, I got online and I said, whatever, $20. Yeah, I'll be a pro member. Sure, why not? Signed up, pro member, put all my information in, no big deal. Monday morning, pulled up their website, looked at it, nothing, no big deal, right? Tuesday, I opened up the website, had it in there, and I wasn't even paying attention to my email. Anyway, at 9 o'clock in the morning, they sent me an email that said it was on there, but I didn't notice my email because I was at work, so I wasn't on my personal email, I was on my work email. Anyway, I just happened at 10 o'clock, bam, there it is, it's for sale. And it's one of the packages, right? So it came with Clank, Ratchet and Clank, which we're about to play, and Spider-Man, Miles Morales, or whatever the hell that one is. I'm not sure I'm going to play that, but I might. So I click on that, go, buy. It doesn't recognize me as a member. I have to log out, log back in, and then it recognized me as like, okay, so now I can buy it. So I click it, put it in my box, let's check out, yes, da-da-da-da. My credit card says, it declines it. Oh, it might be a false, charge. I'm like, oh, you sons of bitches. No. So I have to click like, yes, it's me. Bam. And I have to redo it all again. So anyway, by about 10:12 now, 12 minutes later, it finally goes through and I still bought one. So if you guys are out there looking for one, I would recommend doing the GameStop. I think that's the best way to do it. That was Tuesday. I got it yesterday. I've been downloading all my games and switching them over from the PS4 to the PS5, trying to get the PS5 versions. So this is actually, other than playing Astro's Playground yesterday for about an hour, this is the first time we've actually played on a PS5. So we're going to do it. And Ratchet and Clank is only available on PS5. So if you're trying to play Ratchet and Clank, you need a PS5. And that's the route I would recommend taking. I think that's a good way to go. So anyway, this is Rift Apart. We're going to try it and let's see what happens. New. What is this? Select difficulty. Rebel Agent. Start the game. Alright, here we go. We're just doing normal. I don't know if it's anything. We'll see. But I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you like this video, click the like and we'll keep showing it. Otherwise, I'll probably play about an hour today. And we'll see. I'll keep playing it, obviously. But, yeah, let me know what you think.
Report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility.
Yeah, like I'm gonna do exactly what you tell me to.
It will be fun.
It'll be fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in.
Okay, not sure who this is. Is that Ratchet?
There is the assistant, and
that
there
Clank?
is the infobot.
This is the first time I played it. I mean, I have no idea. I have no idea who's who. I didn't play the old one.
Masterful work. Now get out of there
On
and
the PS4, I didn't play it. If there was one. I think there was, though. Wasn't there a Ratchet something on PS4? more a Skyrim guy. Destiny 2. Graphics look good. I like the graphics.
Go, go, go. Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
Oh, we're gonna go kick this guy's ass. That's where we're going. He deserves it. Why are you picking on this person? What's the weird dude? Racist bastard. Well, here we go. Come on. Wow, one shot. Hope I get to use that the rest of the
Hey,
thing.
it's okay. See? Just me. Rivet?
I gotta say
Gotta go.
the new
Here,
controllers,
it'll help you get
the
home. I
adaptive
designed it to be one
triggers
size
and
fits
everything
all,
they
so
tell
it
us
should-
about
Thank you.
are not bad. They vibrate way more than the PS4 ones do. They fit in your hand about the same. I don't know. I bought some grips online. They're not gonna be here till Monday. I want to see if the new grips make it a little better. And you know, the toggle thingies that go on the top. We're gonna try those to see if that helps out or not.
Don't you think it's weird
But
to throw a celebration for
I
us?
do like the
I mean, we haven't done anything heroic
the way
in...
that it vibrates. It really
years.
vibrates, even in the trigger.
What
Like
if
as
everyone
you're
thinks we're
pulling it,
washed
it'll
up?
vibrate the trigger if
What
it's
if we
something's
are
going
washed
on.
up?
So that's kind of cool.
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
They don't light up though. That's the only thing that's kind
Right.
of disappointing. I was really hoping like the buttons would light up, because that would be awesome.
Give a big welcome to the
Especially to make it easier to play when at midnight when you're sitting there and just can't put the game down at midnight and they lit up, but they don't. So you actually have to have a light on in the back or something to see what's going on.
I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Blunt, will be your host.
With me, Stephen Mars. And Rusty Payne.
Okay,
Wow,
I
haven't
can
seen these
move,
guys
I
in
can
ages.
look. Okay, I guess they're teaching us what to do here.
Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me.
Okay,
And
they
ending
say I can
with a
move, but I can't.
surprise
I'm not
gift
able to look
from
left and right, so
Clank to
obviously this is
Ratchet.
exactly what they want me to do.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire
I'm
galaxy?
not allowed to move at all.
A
That's
gift?
frustrating.
For what?
I kind of like to look around and see
You
the
will
crowd.
see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Bella with Ratchet, a restless adventure.
Okay, if I can
Clank
swing.
crashing from
Does that
the
do
last
anything
star.
for me? No.
Ratchet rescued.
Why would they tell me to do this? Oh, there we go.
Rest is
Jump.
intergalactic history. The crowd goes wild.
They sure pulled out all the stops.
It is, flattering.
Okay, not sure about this.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade.
Throw the wrench. Okay, that works. I like that. I didn't know I could do that. Can I hit that? No. Alright. Can I throw that? No. Really? I didn't get anything for that? Oh, here we go. Okay, apparently those are explosive. Let's not do that. Hang on, that's a safe one. Alright, the other ones were explosive, so that was probably not the best idea to swing and hit those. So, you guys watching, do not do that. Let's throw it at them. There you go. That's how you do it without getting blown up. So I think I have every. Oh, wait. Ooh, have done. Nice. How did I miss that? It's right there.
Well,
Man, ammo crates, which I think I've already done. So apparently, can I shoot it? How do I shoot it? No. How do I shoot? I guess I don't have any out of ammo. How do I not have ammo, dude? There we go. I need some more ammo. Yeah, there you go. I got 75 of them. There you go. Much better. Mo better. Okay. Now, am I supposed to go here and not go here? How am I not picking that up? It's there. Why can I not pick it up? Okay, what do I do? I am not supposed to be here, apparently. Or am I? Nope. Okay. What do I do? Let's see. We've done that. We've done that. I've got ammo crates. I've blown that up. There's nothing else to blow up. Apparently I go over here. And I don't know, I'm gonna jump off and see what happens. There you go. Alright, nothing happens. Alright, so that didn't work. Yeah, that doesn't work. Alright, so I have no idea what I'm supposed to do from here. What am I supposed to do, you dumbass? Okay. Clearly, I'm supposed to be over here, but what do I do? Shoot you then. I have no idea what to do. There you go.
Heroes is safe.
Oh, here we are. Now we got some people to shoot. Alright, let's kick this guy's butt.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Whoa! Yeah, real bullets!
Fuck these guys!
But you gotta love a surprise! Someone put a bounty on us?
Where the hell does that come from? I didn't even
This
see
is
it.
not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Activating Magna Boots! Come on, let's keep this show going! Catch a ride!
L1 to tether shot.
So much for smiling and waving,
Nice.
huh?
Okay.
I
Getting
would
the hang
bet
of
the
it.
vlogs are behind
It's
this.
not.
Or the Cragmites.
Gotta pay
or
attention, I guess. I need to read, apparently.
Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Oh, that didn't help me out. I just blew my thing I was about to jump on. What do I do now? There we go.
Watch out for swashbuckling.
Ooh, back up. That blows up. How the hell?
All heroes vanquished
Scooter.
is the enemy.
Oh, I almost fell off. I didn't realize that was a thing. Well, luckily, I didn't fall off. Okay, so we're still...
There, we can glide over.
Hold X to glide down.
I see more of those goons down there. We better get moving before anyone gets hurt.
Great block! With the fighting, no monologue prepared for this one.
Come here, dude. You're in so much trouble. You don't even know it. even concerned about it, dude. Just gonna smack you with my hammer and go ahead and load up on all kinds of ammo. What is that? Can I get it? Won't let me grab it. How do I grab it? Nothing. I don't grab it that way. Alright, here we go.
Let's take out that dropship and end this.
Who's getting me now?
I have to get out to the front of the float and take out that dropship.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you want me to do something I don't want to do. I'm just gonna shoot him from here.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh, good. And now,
There we go. Health.
we reach the
Back up
present
there.
of our
Where's my
hero's
health?
story.
Alright, so that was
Ratchet,
health.
the last known wombats, whose kind is lost in another dimension. will
Okay, so,
receive a
alright.
mysterious gift from Clank.
I'm trying to figure this out.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator.
Oh, here we
so
go.
you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
No, pal, What? Dr. Nefarious?
Oh, this guy.
What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see
This
you
guy.
here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate
We're gonna
you
take this guy out, I
8
can already
minutes
tell.
ago.
Oh,
He's
what do you
obviously
want,
the guy we don't
Nefarious?
like.
Yes.
Antagonist of the plot.
Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Okay, let's get this guy. Get him. Dude, what are you doing? What am I supposed to do from here?
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious.
L and X to switch.
yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Oh, that didn't work.
Wait,
Am I not supposed
perhaps
to
we can
jump
put
on
forth
this?
pyrotechnics to use.
Nope, apparently not. Alright, so you're not supposed to jump on that. We're just supposed to wait. Where does it put us? Right here again? Alright,
We
here we go.
have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious.
Yes.
Okay,
and
that didn't
quickly.
work at all.
Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Okay, so don't try to jump, just hang on, apparently. For those of you watching and are ready to do this, just hang on. Pummel those guys. And then that says, like, I should jump on them, but clearly
Perhaps
not.
we can put Quark's pyrotechnics to use.
Let's light him up.
That doesn't do anything. And I'm shooting him in the thing. I'm clearly shooting him. I mean, I'm clearly shooting him. I'm not allowed to jump on that because that'll kill it. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. It's electrified. I don't think I should jump on that. I don't appear to be doing any damage. Right? I don't appear to be doing any damage at all. Still don't appear to be doing any damage at all. Yeah, I'm not doing any damage at all. So clearly I have to do something. I guess I have to try again, which is gonna send me back though, because I don't know what I'm supposed to do, dude. What the hell? I'm shooting. Yeah, alright, well he turned away from that one. You're not gonna miss this one. I'm gonna shoot you in the head, dude. That appeared to work. Alright, I guess it's working. Just shoot him. Shoot him. Okay, so you shoot him. You shoot him. I thought I was going to have to jump, but apparently I'm out of ammo now, so I can't do a damn thing. And I don't understand why he's not dead, because I shot him. I guess I'm going to have to try to jump on this and get up there, because I have no ammo left. So we're going to... Alright, here we go. And that didn't work. I'm still up here. You can't jump on those. So now I have no idea what the... And I'm underneath now. Apparently I'm underneath. So, alright. I found a area I'm not supposed to be in. Okay. Wow, this is wonderful. I'm out of ammo, so I can't kill him. Stuck inside the thing. We're going to try to get out. Here we go. Let's jump on that. Jump, 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 jump. Ooh, wait a minute. That might work. Okay. I'm throwing my hammer, and I'm clearly hitting him. I say I'm clearly hitting him. We are locked in. And something is not working. I cannot get out of this. So I have found a way to get into the programming, and I can't get out. And I'm trying. I really am trying. I am stuck. Alright, we're gonna have to reload because this is not working at all, obviously. Alright, so anyway, well, that's disappointing. It's kind of fun though. I mean, I like being jammed in there. I thought I was gonna kick his butt, but apparently not. Yeah, I'm stuck, so I can't get out of there. And this, I don't understand why he's not dead. You know, I don't understand why he's not dead. Oh, that's frustrating. Now I have to figure out how to do it. No, I didn't know you do it. How the hell do I... We're gonna block this. Hold on. Stop. Exit. Stop recording. What the fuck, dude? How do I... About 20 minutes left. Got it. I mean, I don't understand. How do I get the fuck out of here? I've not figured out how to do this. No, I'm not doing that. Rebel agent. Resume. I thought I stopped recording, you son of a bitch. You're telling me I didn't stop recording when I hit stop recording. Alright, anyway, we're gonna have to edit that out. Alright, let's go.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good. Wait, perhaps we can put Quark's pyrotechnics to use.
Let's light him up!
Dude, how am I missing? How am I missing, dude? Dude, I'm tearing this thing up. What the fuck is going on? How am I missing? Come on, dude. What the fuck? How are you making me miss, dude? I don't understand. Dude, it's like I'm aiming it right fucking there and you're not allowing me to hit. Now I'm out again. not getting it. Okay, still trying to figure this out. I'm aiming right at him and it's not letting me do a damn thing. Now I'm fucking... Oh, here we go. And I can't do that. There you go. Like I said, I can't do anything. I just don't get it. What the hell am I missing? What the fuck am I missing, dude?
Get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
What am I missing? How do I get in here and kick this guy's butt?
Wait, perhaps we can put quartz pyrotechnics to use.
Let's light him up!
Dude. I'm all over his butt right here. Look. Oh, are you kidding me? Dude. I'm like all over his tail right here, dude. There's no way I'm out of bullets. I have not missed a single shot. Oh, and of course I'm out. So what do? I have no idea what I'm supposed to do here. What the hell am I supposed to do? Dude, I've tried throwing shit at him. I can't throw anything at him. I can't get on that. That doesn't do anything. Alright, this is fucking stupid, dude. What the fuck am I supposed to do? This is pissing me off is what it's doing.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good. Wait, perhaps we can put quartz pyrotechnics to use.
Let's light him up!
There you go. That's what I had to do. Okay, finally figured it out. Alright, that took forever to figure out. I just had to shoot him. I didn't realize
Don't beat yourself
you had
up.
to do that.
This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Okay, let's see what we got. Shatter bomb. Continue. Alright, so compare weapons. The Enforcer. I'd rather the Enforcer. I think. Range. Shatter bomb has a little more range. Feel the power of the Omniverse in the palm of your hand with this explosive ball of energy that tears apart bodies and reality. Or the Enforcer, sick of single-barrel destruction when you have to blast through your enemies with this double-barreled plasma cannon. I'm buying that. How do I hold the buy? Not letting me buy. All right, so apparently I have to. There you go.
That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer, with its 2 barrels of sweet, sweet destruction. You can.
Cool. All right.
You have a good eye.
More goons incoming.
We're about to take them out with this gun. Let's get them. Guess I'm out of fucking weapons here. Let's do then this one. First pistol.
One more to go. The train's pulling away. Let's go.
Make sure I picked everything up. There we go. Got health, which I need health. Apparently I need health. Where's that coming from? I need everything I can get. We're gonna come over here and get it. Did I not pick up health? What is that? How do I pick that up? It's showing me something, but I don't know what it's showing me. Okay, so I think I have everything. There usually is something behind her, but not today. Alright, we're checking. We're just looking, checking, see what we got. Apparently I'm going this way. Health.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down
Get it.
the
Put it down, you
Dimensionator.
son of a
Yeah.
gun.
Right. Today, you
Gonna get it.
will see what losing feels like. Spoiler. It's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates.
Alright, well we can't do anything to him, so we're gonna have to go kill the other guys.
Hey! What did you do?
Oh, that's probably not good. That's probably not good.
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the
The
face
rifts?
quartz in your glove.
See what happens.
Try pointing it at one of them.
Let's try it. L1 to rip tether. Nice.
This is
okay, L1.
definitely gonna come
Gotta
in
remember that.
handy.
L1. Ooh, I almost fell off of that. Did I just miss something? Okay, that didn't work at all. Tether. Back over here. I've got. Nothing here.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa, watch your head.
This is worse than I had imagined.
I don't know. Just go smash things. Hulk smash. That works for me. So anyway, we're trying to get through this. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Apparently, I'm supposed to go over here. Okay, I wasn't supposed to do that. Let's try that again. I apparently have to redo all of this again. So no, I don't want to do it all again. We have to come over here.
Watch your head.
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
Okay. Not gonna blow up. I'm not gonna blow up, but it gives me some more stuff. Let's get it. Sand shark. I'm trying to get as much stuff as I can. Let's go over here. That. It looked like something, didn't it? Okay, nothing there. We walk through that. Let's check over here. Okay, that is a bad idea. Why would I do that? Apparently I need to do that.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
That's not doing anything. Okay, what's coming out over here? I'm not seeing a thing that tells me where to go. So I assume that that was it. Oh, you know, I need. Oh, wait a minute. What do I do? Is it that? Yes. Okay, apparently I don't need help. We are in here again, trying to figure out where to go. I have no idea where I'm supposed to. Oh, what? I don't know if we went this way. Have we gone this way? No, we haven't.
Might as well give up.
Here we go.
A kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Okay, that's not it. Apparently it's this way then. Let's try this.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Wow,
Then
okay.
we better not miss
How
our
do we get
ride.
to that?
Hey,
Taxi. Is
when
this a
did you
taxi?
rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies. I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go
Excuse me.
together.
Alright, so I'm not
Wow.
sure what I'm supposed to
That's
do here,
really
but let's
thoughtful.
do.
But I...
That didn't work. Alright, so that's not what I'm supposed to do. I'm gonna come back here and do this.
rebuild the Dimensionator.
I have
Now where
hobbies,
do I go?
And I know that finding the
I'm looking
Lombaxes
that
has
way. I don't
always been
see
important
anything.
to you.
I'm looking this way.
I thought perhaps
wait,
we
right
could
there
go
it is.
together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful.
There we go.
But
Alright, I just wasn't paying attention, I guess. My bad.
Why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
No, great, it's print.
Yeah. Yo, love that!
Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
I guess. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm trying to figure out what the hell I'm supposed to do.
There has got to be another box.
What's that? Can I touch it? I can't touch it. Okay, every time she's here, apparently I get to buy
Ready
something.
to purchase or just staying on top of the trends?
Menu. I have exactly enough to buy this Shatter Bomb. So that's, I guess I'm buying it. There
Excellent
you go.
choice.
Now I don't know what to do with it, but preview.
Say, you know what is better than watching explosives?
It's
Throwing
launching
them with
that.
your bare
Throw 'em
freaking
at 'em.
hand.
Yeah, throw it. There you go. Shatter Bomb. Alright, cool. And we got a Shatter Bomb.
Or if you are in
We
a
are
hurry,
46 minutes in. We're gonna keep going. I'd like to finish this first mission if I can.
Shatter bomb, more like shut up.
Okay, back. Exit. Alright, so we have that. I now have the Shatter Bomb, which says half R2. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, half. And then you can throw it later on. Alright, I got it. That's interesting.
Honestly, I look sick today.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job. Can't take much more of this.
Really?
Don't let him get to the boss!
More mutts.
I'm gonna shoot it!
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal.
Okay, so I find that I'm trying to save all my ammo right now. Otherwise, I could be playing with that, but I'm
All
not.
right, now let's
Um,
get to Nefarious.
No. Oh, all right. So now I have a gun. All right, let's try the
You
gun.
two, these schools are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistants
Here we go. All right,
paid
so let's shoot him.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Okay, so what's
Ah,
this? How am I getting hit by it, dude?
good.
I don't understand how I'm getting hit by it.
Watch your step.
Take that, Nefarious.
That looked rather painful. His defenses are weakening.
Damn it. on, dude. How the fuck am I getting hit? One more and I'm dead.
Toads are so unpleasant.
How did I get killed?
These goons are useless.
Okay, so I gotta practice how to dodge.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Damn it. I understand what you're doing.
Take that, Nefarious.
Keep getting hit. I don't understand how I keep getting hit.
His defenses are weakening.
How is it getting me when I'm standing behind them?
Take it off, Ratchet.
Painful.
I don't understand how I'm getting hit. Yeah, I don't understand how I'm getting hit. I'm trying to jump. I'm doing my best.
Toads are so unpleasant.
Yes, run from me.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Okay, I'm trying to get him, trying to shoot the heck out of him, but I gotta tell you what, it's tough. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. How did I get caught there? So out of the way. Oh, got more toads or whatever they are.
Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Why am I not able to do what I want to do, which is found these guys?
How many times have we heard that?
Why am I not fucking pounding them? There we go. Found it. Found it. Found it. Found it. I guess I was hitting the wrong button. That's all me. That's all me. Get him out of the way. Not able to hit him. Who am I missing? What am I supposed to hit? Is there something I missed? I killed everything that I know of. Ooh, does that help? Man, that helped. Alright, let's get some more help if I can. Yeah, that's not doing anything. So what did I miss? What am I missing? What am I missing? I'm not able to hit him. What are they thinking I missed? That. Where's my burst ammo? Fucking ammo. That's nice. Okay, they think I missed something. This is annoying. Super annoying. Because I haven't missed anything. There's nothing alive out here that I have to hit. Why is he over there? I guess I'm screwed. This show's gonna suck because I can't figure out what the hell I'm supposed to do to make this move forward. I've killed everything. I've gotten everything. Is there one hidden in here? No. What are you doing, dude? Not getting a thing. Okay, we're stuck in a loop. Something happened that I didn't expect. Apparently, wasn't supposed to happen. I can't get up on that. Can't get up on that. He's not coming after me. There's nothing in here to kill. Ah, this is annoying. God damn it. Super annoying. Alright, hold on, we're gonna stop. Let's pause. And stop. 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 What the fuck is going on? Why will this not work? Why are my controls not working? Why is this not working? Are you sure you want to stop recording? That was stupid. If that's